Okay, boys and girls, for your problem set today, you guys are going to be doing number 1. It says write the number bond to match the picture, then complete the number sentence. So for A, you're going to write the number bond to match the picture. So you have this many hearts, you have this many circles, and then what's your total? Then you're going to fill in these sentences to go with it. Your first part is 3, your second part is 2. Notice right here they're backwards, so make sure you fill it in correctly. We're going to do that for B and C as well, using the different pictures. For number 2, it says write the expression under each plate. Add the equal sign to show they are the same amount. So you have 3 sandwiches and 2 hot dogs, 2 sandwiches and 3 hot dogs, or 2 hot dogs and 3 sandwiches. So I know that 3 and 2 is the same as 2 and 3, so right here I'm going to put an equal sign. Remember, you can put your little caret down at the bottom and add to make sure that they both equal the same number. You're going to fill it in here and here. If they're equal, put the equal sign. This one, draw to show the expression. So you're going to put the oranges, the banana. You're going to have to make it equal, so your picture should match with 1 and 6. Then you're going to draw and write 2 expressions to show the same numbers that have the same totals. So draw a picture of some circles and hearts here and some circles and hearts here, and they should both equal the same amount. Okay, so I might say 3 circles, 3 hearts. 3 and 3 is 6. I might say 1 heart and 5 circles. 1 and 5 is 6. Don't use that one though. Alrighty, good luck.